Today we are here to ask and answer one simple question. Can ChatGPT predict the price of Bitcoin for the month of February? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency at the beginning of the month. Then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. Over the last few months, ChatGPT has been struggling a little bit with these prediction guesses. However, I have a strong feeling and hunch that this is the month where ChatGPT turns it around. With that being said, let's get to the question. Hey ChatGPT, we are doing the guessing game again, and this time it is with Bitcoin. We are guessing the price of Bitcoin for February 2026. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at around $78,526. Look back at Bitcoin's historical performance in February since it was first launched. Has February usually been a positive or negative month for Bitcoin? Give me 3 guesses for February 2026, a bullish, a bearish, and an official guess. Keep the ranges tight with close, focused guesses. I want one exact price and a small range for each. No explanation needed, just hit me with the results. Alright, and we officially have ChatGPT's answer, and it looks like historically, February has been a positive month for Bitcoin, often delivering gains of 13 to 15% on average across past Februaries. So there we go, guys. Just based off of history, this should be a good month for us, and hopefully we can start seeing some greener days ahead of us for a little bit more positivity. But with that being said, let's get to the guesses. Bitcoin's February 2026 price guess. The bullish guess, $92,400, range between $90,000 and $94,800. The official guess, this is the guess that matters. This is the guess that ChatGPT gets ranked on. $85,100, range between $82,500 and $87,700. And then we have the bearish guess, $78,800, range $76,000 to $81,600. So there you have it, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this month's guesses. Do you agree with the bullish guess, the bearish guess, the official guess? Do you think that February is going to turn around the market and we're going to be going green? Because I know I would be very happy with a green month with Bitcoin or any cryptos at this point. It's getting kind of depressing. Just let me know in the comment section below. I'm really curious to what you guys think. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I hope you have a blessed day. Peace.